Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video we are going to be creating the product model, and we're going to start out with that. So for the CMS we want to have an e-commerce functionality. So to get started we create a product model with a migration. And in here we want a few different details. So we want to have a table with a string called title. We want a table with text called content. We want a timestamp called publish ad. And then we also want the ability to store JSON of variants, which can be nullable. You want to be able to store the price. We're going to use Sino Monify. So you'll store this in integer format. We will also be able to store the user ID. And cascade this on delete. On top of that, we also want to be able to store meta description. And we want to be able to store the SKU. Sometimes a product will have variants and sometimes it won't. For example, if you're selling one item exclusively, you may only want to have one singular item of it, but sometimes you want to have many different variants, which we will set up in the tape in the resources later on using the repeater tool. And outside of that, I don't think we want anything else because the stock is going to be its own model. So to get started with, let's migrate this. And then let's make a filament resource called now we have a product resource here. Let's head to the admin panel. And because we are now controlling this ourselves, we need to add this manually. So let's go into the admin panel. And let's create a navigation group called shop with items. And there we go. We're now able to display products. But before we finish off this video, let's also head into the product model and implement as media. Use interact with media. And because we have a user ID, let's make sure this also belongs to a user. So we will return this belongs to user class. And now we have hooked up a relationship. So that's it for this video. Thank you very much for watching. In the next video, we will be creating our own product. We will be able to add multiple images and even use the carousels that we were working on using Flowbyte. Please hit the like and subscribe button as well if you enjoyed the video.